to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution, where we talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin weekly chart. We talked about this 4 days ago. If the bulls cannot regain this key level, this is a bearish retest. This is not a good sign. In order to avoid downside, we've had these targets on our radar for an extended period of time. Now, Bitcoin weekly chart has seen a pullback to 36,653. The bulls are hoping for a double bottom here and some type of bounce. You start losing 34,000, 31,000, like the bulls are in trouble. Desperate need of a bounce. We're going to zoom in to the Bitcoin 2-hour chart. I had somebody message me just a minute ago and they're like, Chris, what do I do now? What do I do on Twitter? And the clear idea is not to hold downtrends. These downtrends, once you see a lower high, close your positions. I cannot sit and hold these coins while they bleed. That is just not my trading style, right? You want to be in the uptrends, higher highs and higher lows for profits. When you start seeing lower lows and lower highs and lower lows, this is a downtrend. Exit positions. It's that simple. Now, the bulls down here desperately need a bounce at this level. Support, support, support. If not, when you got a falling wedge, 68% chance it breaks to the upside, but there's so much going on with Ukraine. We're going to talk about the stock market. It looks terrible. It's red pre-market. I mean, if this thing drops lower, I mean, you got this rounded parabolic price action. I mean, this thing breaks lower. I mean, you could see 34,000, 33,000. We talked about a scammy wick to 32,000 for a bounce idea. So make sure you have money on the sidelines looking for an oversold bounce idea for Bitcoin. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person said, I make more money in a downtrend than an uptrend. Listen, if you are not on Kucoin right now, there's a VIP link in the description. You have got to be trading these short coins. Like, this has been some of the easiest money you could possibly make in this market ever. And it only takes one. I posted A to 3S, which is a 3x short on Kucoin. We're up 73% on one coin. Just to keep it simple for everybody in the group that's new and learning. Just posted a couple short setups. This thing 73% profits. We have a team of traders, a collective, people posting charts and setups, and it's amazing. This person said, I'm getting better every day. I'm excited about the future. I'm crushing some of the shorts the last few days on Kucoin. When you trade the market both ways, you make money. When everybody else is bleeding, you are making money. This person, he's a student. He's up to $80,000. $80,000 he's made. If you're not making a ton of money right now in this market, I can help you. I'll make sure you're in the best, most profitable trading setups. Right now, for a limited time, there's a New Year's special. You get $100 off and 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Market trading, not good. This Dow's down, S&P's getting wrecked, NASDAQ, there's all this stuff going on in the Ukraine we're going to talk about in just a second. Fed's going to start raising rates. We'll look at this idea where Syria, Venezuela, Cuba, Nicaragua, they're likely to recognize these two republics that are potentially right outside the Ukraine. If we look and zoom in on this, Vladimir Putin, the president of Russia, recognized the independence of two separatist regions in the Ukraine. So the fear is this is going to spark the Russian military to intervene against Ukraine because essentially they're able to now Russia can move their forces even closer to the Ukraine. So this act of recognition it means that borders are being claimed by Russia. And then all these countries are coming in, Syria, Venezuela, Cuba, Nicaragua, and recognizing this idea. This could allow these separatist leaders to request military help from Russia, which makes an easy path for a military offensive. Stock market does not like this at all. Ukrainian officials are saying that they would interpret Russian troops entering the Ukrainian territory if this happens, if they push in. $5.1 million in ADA was just picked up. So the number one BNB whale just bought 5.5 million ADA. He now holds half of the ADA amount stored by the largest Bitcoin smart chain wallet holders. So even though ADA has been getting wrecked, whales are buying. So again, the thing is, like, this thing, if this thing drops and breaks below 36,000, you see 34,000, scamming wick down to 32,000, and you're looking for an oversold bounce idea on the RSI. You cannot go all in on this market. This market will take your money. Like, you are not losing any money right here. Other people are taking it. This is a game. It's like chess. You have to think a couple moves ahead. You have to, number one, you got to know how the pieces move, right? If you don't know that the knight moves in an L shape and the rook moves completely across the board in straight lines, how are you going to beat anybody in this market? You've got to learn the basics. I can help you. Axie Infinity, these NFT sales have been crazy. This is a phenomenon. They became the first NFT series to break $4 billion in sales. This is historic. This just happened. I mean, can you just imagine where NFTs are going to be in 5, 7, 10 years from now? If you are losing money in this market, listen to me very carefully. Our entire lives are about to change. This is like buying Bitcoin at $1. Like, this is just the beginning. No one understands this. Well, why do I buy JPEGs for hundreds of thousands of dollars? Why do people, they don't see the metaverse. They don't see the NFTs. We're going to make a ridiculous amount of money. If you lost money holding these coins on downtrends, well, guess what? Your time is coming to make a tremendous amount of money, but you have to learn how this market works, period. This chart from February the 15th talked exactly about this idea. After this run up, potentially double top, if this support level doesn't hold, really important that the bulls put in a higher low, but the double bottom works too. Double bottom's down here at 34,000. 34,000. If you see some scammy wick down to 33,000, oversold bounce ideas, like you got to keep money on the sidelines, but this is not anything we weren't expecting. You want to see a higher low for the next move higher. This market has not been amazing. If you're holding these coins, like, it hasn't been easy. Keep your head in the game. We'll make it back. But the most important thing is, don't ride these downtrends in the future. I like the content that I provide on a daily basis. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.